Alright, so today what we're going to be doing is replacing a shock. It's going to be a really simple video, real quick. Drivers came in complaining, said that it's making a clicking sound. Usually a dead giveaway almost immediately that that's going to be a shock. Could be the brakes were out of adjustment. Had to be adjusted, but they weren't. If you'll look down there, you can see some of the rust stains on this. Okay, so all it is I don't want to tell you the wrong size. 15/16. Got one at the bottom here, one at the top here. And most of the time, these will break off or break loose, I should say. Pretty simple. Other times you may have to use some sort of penetrator or the good old faithful torch will usually go in there and heat it up and bust the threads up enough, or expand it enough to where you can get something in there to get it off. Oh, that's what we're going to try to do. I'm going to try to see if it'll come loose without having to do anything crazy. Shouldn't be no problem. I'm actually going to use just a hand ratchet with this. So like I said, 15/16. I'm going to start back here on the nut to see if it'll come loose. Yeah, see, not that bad. I am going to spin it a couple times just to kind of break it free, and then I'll grab, if I don't have the wrench up there, then I'll just grab an adjustable just to kind of hold it in place. Get timid when it comes to trying to repair shocks for some reason. It's an extremely simple thing to do. You'll be able to tell they're bad when I get this loose. When we do the comparison, it'll be much better. So what I do is I'm gonna leave this in and then come up to the top and break that one loose, and then I'll just knock them out. It's not gonna drop. Get it situated in there. Yeah. That's gonna be where it connects at the top. Instead of going through the process of taking this plastic off, we're just going to and just repeat. Oh. Alright, so now that I dropped my camera, and we come back down here, we already removed the top bolt. It was being a pain. Just because it's so, this stupid, like $700 piece of molded plastic, just splash guard that's all up through there. Yeah, it probably, you know, might be a little bit of a time consuming thing, but it really doesn't help that much. Honestly, it serves no purpose where they've got it molded out like it was for that anyway. So all you gotta do is come down here. If it's obviously if it's like rusted up in there or something, you might have to punch it out, but just pull it like that and it'll drop right out. Alright, so here you can see the big difference. Obviously this is the new one, this is the old one. See how it's all dry rotted, cracked, and you'll be able to hear squeaking with a leak. Yeah, if you can, I don't know if you can hear it or not. You hear it leaking? It's busted. And it causes a rattle back and forth. Here, you're not gonna hear that. So, and for anybody that needs to know part numbers, 214-36086-P03. Again, I think this is 2016, 2017 VNL. Doesn't really matter though. They're all gonna be the same. So now we'll go back through and put it on. And other than that, that is how it's done. And like I said, nothing really fancy. Nothing's gonna blow anybody's mind. But it will save you some time if you don't know how to do it. Obviously you saw I took it off. There's nothing jacked. Nothing. I'm on level ground, so it's not going to go anywhere. But you do what you want to do. But yeah, so that's all it is. Just remove those two. So they might be a pain in the ass. They may not be. Hopefully you get lucky. Once you take it off, putting it back on is the exact same thing, just in opposite order. Thank you.